Hi guys, welcome back to my video on the 230e. Thanks for everyone that watched the last video. Really appreciate it. If you haven't already, if you could please like and subscribe, as they say. Today I'm just going to be making a start on cleaning the outside, just to get a better idea of what I bought and get some of the cobwebs off. I already made a start on cleaning the inside over the last 2 nights, just giving every surface a good scrub. Just for an all-purpose cleaner, some magic erasers and some brushes, and then went over it with some antibacterial cleaner. Just give a quick show. It all came up very well as expected. It's all been cleaned. I also did an odour bomb as well. The carpets I'm going to go over again because I'm not quite happy with those, but yeah, it's all come up nicely. Again, I need to go over the parcel shelf again because where I cleaned some of the plastics, some of the dirt went onto the carpet. As you can see there, we'll get that sorted. There's some stains on this carpet this side. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it just needs going over again. But yeah, it's all been cleaned. And in the front here, I was quite pleased because there was an ink stain down here, and that's pretty much come off. Says that. I've ordered loads of parts for it, which have all started to arrive, so I'll do a separate video once they're all here, go through it. One thing I have fitted is the battery, because I kept having to charge the other one that was on here. So I just fitted a new Mercedes battery, hoovered out all around here. I'm going to clean it all in a minute. The battery tray is a bit rusty, so I need to sort that, but the rest of the car looks fine. So there's that. So I'm just going to start off cleaning the outside. Fuel cap, wheel wells. You see the hubcaps have gone, they've gone off to be painted. All the door shuts are filthy, so I'll insert some videos now. just completed the first wash of the car. Started off by cleaning the wheel wells, which I'll show you in just a second. Doesn't look a great deal better with the paintwork, but anyway. The wheel wells, I gave them all a good clean. They've all come up beautifully. No corrosion or rust, as I said. There's that. Also cleaned the door shuts, so all the door shuts have been cleaned. So that all looks good. And under the bonnet. So, looks a bit clean. As I said, the airbox cover and the cam cover both need painting. The good side I polished, so I've polished, just given a single stage polish this side to see how it comes up, and also the roof, which has come up pretty well. So this is the good side of the car. So the next stage then will be the jacking points next week. So we're cutting that out and then welding in a replacement. That's the MOT failure, and the other ones aren't too bad, as bad. So we're just going to do the same, cut them out, weld a new bit in, and then I'll paint the whole seal grey, and then I'll do the service and fit all the other parts before taking it for its MOT, and then I'll take it in and get it painted. Will be the last thing. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye.